just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing on the pavement with our two elbows. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. I just wanna go out and walk with you. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or two. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know
Good morning. I'm shooting an ad for Timo for Instagram Reel. I just thought I should check up with you and actually vlog. So I was packing some gifts for a few family members that will be coming. So I'm having like a Valentine's themed decor. Also, I did get this thing that I didn't show you. It's heart-shaped poof to just signal it's Valentine's, it's love, it's red, everything. Let me show you from here. They're good for packing food in the fridge. It's a new vlog, and the reason I'm this excited is because I just wore this outfit and it fits me again. Like 3 or 2 months ago, I had tried these trousers on and they couldn't pass my thighs. And today, out of nowhere, I was just checking what to wear and I was like, okay, let me try this once again and see how far I am. And the pants fit. Fits me again. Yeah, I'm so happy. Anyway, we're headed out. My son is finally starting solid. Yeah. So that means that we need to go for shopping to get him everything that he needs to win. So I don't know much, but I believe the shop we are going to, which is Adenzo, they will advise me and show me the best items. So let's head out, go and shop. One thing about sunscreen, it makes you sweat. I don't know if it's just me, but anytime I apply sunscreen on my face, I get so sweaty. Anyway, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Remember to like this vlog to just show me that you appreciate me. I go.
And decor causes intimacy improvement also will. Awesome 0.
Oh, huyu ndio ako happy. This one is so happy. Papa, unataka huyu? So this is the feeding chair we are going for, guys. So there are two prints. There's this one for those who want the same, and there's this one that looks like that. So I don't, guys, I just saw this one. It's leather, meaning it's so easy to clean. It's called, I think the brand is Poach. It's so pretty. Honestly, the function is the same as they've told me, but the difference is this one, you won't have to stress cleaning because my son will be learning how to feed himself, so it will be dirty all over. I feel like that one might be hectic. Let's see. Guys, do you remember when we were shopping for baby's bed? I was still pregnant. 6 in 1. Black and white. White is it? White and pink, no. White is it a stain? I think gray. Here's the gray and here's the black. The brand is he or she. There are so many strollers. These are storage, so nice, and you can stack them together like this. Guess who has poo-pooed? My son. He has poo-pooed. Nani amepoo-poo? Try It's 3, okay, so.
6 to 11,
Oh.
and 10 to 15.
Yeah, but
Godspeed, we travel with hope in our minds. Lose rain, the sky and the wind are only guide. Wild sea, we are all strangers to this land. And no map, no promise but the light ahead. Rolling into the great unknown. Every step leads away from home. New stars so bright in the edge of the night. One spark and the world begins again.
good morning, guys. How is everybody? I hope you're fine. So I'm shooting a reel for a brand. I'm shooting outfit. They're these two-piece sweatpants, tracksuits. Yeah, tracksuits. So I'm doing a reel for them. We are working together on Instagram. So I was getting ready. I did face paint and I curled this hair so quick, but I still love how it turned out. Honestly, I didn't want like defined cuts. I just wanted to have some wave going on in the hair, and I think we have that. So let me get down to shooting. I will show you guys the outfits, and I'll also tag in the description for those who will be interested, or you can just check my Instagram and you'll see all the details. Let me show you. So I still don't have like a full concept of how I'll go about it, but here they are. They're so comfy. They look so good. So here's the second one. I hope you can see properly. And just like that, I am done. I'm done, guys. This doesn't come like this. Like, this is just a piece on its own. I decided to style it with these last tracksuits, sneakers on, chef cares, and we'll catch you guys later. I'm so sweaty. I want to edit and share the draft with the brand. They're called Casual Outfits KE, if I'm not wrong. So let me do that. Hello guys, good morning. It's quite late. We are going to, I didn't even catch up with you or tell you anything. It's a new day in the vlog, and we have an event at Massey's school. It's family's fun day. Yeah, fun day. So that's where we are headed. Today we are using my sister's car, so I had to come to pick them. We are with baby H here, so we are headed there. I've never driven this car, so it's quite new to me. So sleek, I love it. Here guys, my son has cried so much, like so much. He's not breastfeeding. We were supposed to be here like 3 hours ago, but it's okay because I can see other parents are getting here now as well. The parking is so full. So we are going in. Fungua nikuonyeshe. Unaweza hapo. There is Nancy. Rena is here. Rena, say hi. Oh. My son is sleeping, so let's go in. Yeah, let me tell you. So what's happening? You're supposed to dress up in. You're supposed to dress in your. Nifungule? Umetoshea? Haya. Wewe ndio tu hujakula. Friends wako wamekula? Hawajakula bado? Papa. Tunataka kurudi kwa after games. Kuna mtu anacheza. Hapo naona jua amesweat. Guys, my son is finally sleeping. So, aya Masi mchukue ndio tufungie hii stroller. Sasa tunakwambia naona hiyo kubwa tunashindana tutatoshia juu. Hata mimi naona kwa kubwa haki. Naona hii space yote. Nenda hiyo.
Shika. Oi, papai.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two wet lines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see.
Hapo sawa.
The fall is coming, I can feel it. The breeze brings goosebumps to my skin. Tonight the whiskey feels stronger. Gasoline on hidden desires. So I'll throw another log on the fire. Let it burn. Let it burn. Let it burn. Let it burn.
Guys, I've just finished installing this wig and it's so beautiful. I did waves, I didn't want tight curls, and I'm so in love. I brushed them off. I'm so in love with this look. I'm super in love. Ah, gorgeous. That's the word, gorgeous, baby. I love it. Anyway, I've just finished installing. I have a package that has just come in. I don't know who's pregnant, because if you're giving birth soon, I look who's pregnant around me so that I can gift them this. I'm working with Moya Comforts. You know them already if you've been here for some time. So they just sent me this because I'm supposed to shoot. We'll be having like partnership on Instagram, so I'm shooting for them. This is a product I used, so I highly recommend. One thing I love is working with brands that I actually use on a daily basis. Not daily basis, but I use on myself and love them. So when I gave birth, I used Moya Comforts sanitary pants. They're like diapers, so immediately you give birth, if you know the drill what I'm talking about, usually bleed a lot and you need diapers before transitioning to normal pads. So this is the brand I used, and they're so good. They have herbal shield. I'm not paid to say this. I'm telling you guys because I love them. So in case you're pregnant and you'll be giving birth soon, I definitely recommend buying more comforts. You can get them in any baby shop. I actually saw them at Adenzo the other day when we had gone to get my son his feeding stuff. So yeah, I recommend them. So I'm supposed to shoot some reels. So they sent me this, and since I'm not, guys, have I let me talk about this. After giving birth, how long did it take for you to get back your peas? Because mine are still not here, and I'm so happy, and I'm like, at least 6 months and they're still not back. And also I was talking with my sister about this the other day, and she was telling me that just because you're not getting your peas doesn't mean you won't get pregnant. So if you engage, you will still get pregnant. Has that happened to any of you? Ever let me know in the comments. Anyway, I'm so happy. I've just finished shooting this. I don't know which one will be up first, reel or not reel, hair video or vlog. I hope the vlog, because you guys will be so mad at me after disappearing for so long and posting a hair video instead of a vlog. So I hope I'll be able to edit this first before the hair. If it's vice versa and you're interested in seeing how the hair looks, just check, you will see it up there. Anyway, I feel like I look so good to just stay at home, so I might rush to my sister's place because I'm supposed to drop off some stuff, then come back, and yeah, I'll shoot this tomorrow. I'm honestly too lazy. So I'm supposed to shoot a reel, guys. Bye. I've just remembered I have another brand reel I'm supposed to shoot, so let me get down to that. I'll catch you guys later. I don't know if I showed you guys this weighing scale that I got. If not, let me show you. I got it at China Square. It was actually quite affordable. I think it was 925 bob, if I'm not wrong. And it's so so light, it's so good, it does the work, and I'm actually so in love with this cartoon over here. So I decided I'll keep it in this guest bathroom upstairs because I just want it to be easily and readily available when someone wants to weigh themselves. So I'll just have it under the sink, and that's where we'll be using it. Yummy in my tummy, Papa. Time to eat. Time to eat. This is not a toy. Yes, I think he likes carrots. Yummy. Let's eat one thing at a time. Sasa unafanya you could leave the carrot, Papa. Sawa. I love. Ngoyona umechukua pieces zote important zangu. Anyway, it's okay. So I'm going to visit my sister. Papa, what's up? I'm going to my sister's place to just hang out. So I made my son his food to check if it's good and ready. Yeah, I think it's good. I made pumpkin. I want to bring his food with me, which is pumpkin, so I'll pack it here. These are the Tommy TP storage tins. I'll also bring a piece of mango.